Last night, just after dinner, my doorbell rang, and I froze. It wasn't loud, but somehow it felt heavy, like it was carrying something I wasn't ready for. I stood still for a few seconds, just listening. No footsteps outside, no voices, just a quiet house and a cold evening. I slowly walked to the door, my heart beating louder than the bell had. When I opened it, no one was there. Just a small paper bag sitting on my doormat. I looked around the street, empty. No cars, no neighbors, nothing. Just silence. I picked up the bag and came inside. Inside, I found a warm cup of soup, still steaming, still fresh, and a tiny note that said, "You looked tired today. Please eat well tonight." For a moment, I didn't know whether to cry or smile. Hello, viewers. Has anyone ever surprised you with a small act of kindness? If you enjoyed my stories, do tell me in the comments, and remember to subscribe. I sat down with the soup, holding the little note in my hand. Someone cared. Someone noticed. Someone thought of me. It's amazing how a simple cup of soup can make you feel seen, especially on a night when you least expect it. And whoever left it, I hope they know they saved my whole evening, maybe even more than that.